Do you want high-end decor without paying high-end prices? I visit these stores to get inspiration, but I'm always shocked by the prices. Instead of paying hundreds of dollars on one piece, you can go to Dollar Tree and fill up a cart for $100. I'm Natalie, and I'm going to show you how you can turn Dollar Tree items into high-end decor that you can be proud to display in your home. While shopping at Dollar Tree, I came across this gorgeous tray. You can paint it if you'd like, but I love the silver look. For this design, you'll need 14 6-inch craft sticks. Flip the tray over and use the back as a guide to measure the length for trimming the sticks. Place the middle of the stick on the back. You don't want either side to have the rounded edge. Mark the top and bottom trim points with a marker. With scissors or miter shears, cut the first stick on the trim lines. Be careful, the tips can fly while cutting. Use the stick you just trimmed as a template to trim the other sticks. Place the sticks on the tray to ensure the sticks are trimmed to the right size. Use sandpaper if you need to tweak them a bit. You can choose any paint, stain, or keep the sticks natural. I wanted them a deep purple, so I chose Royal Violet by Apple Barrel. I use these cups for painting when I need to do a second coat because they have lids. These are perfect so you don't waste any paint. Make sure to paint the tops and sides. You don't want to paint the bottoms because we'll be gluing them to the tray. I recommend using a foam brush to paint the sticks. You don't want too much paint, just a light coat. I use Dollar Tree drying racks and wax paper for my painting area. The paint doesn't stick to the wax paper, and since I'm working on several designs at a time, it allows me to move the painted materials easily. Once you finish painting, put the lid on the cup. To keep the brush moist for the second coat, I wrap it in aluminum foil. Use 2 sticks for spacing. When gluing the sticks to the tray, work from the sides in. I used E6000 for a strong hold. Once you place the stick, hold firmly for a few seconds. If any glue seeps out the sides, use rubbing alcohol with a Q-tip to remove it. If this design inspired you, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you would make it your own. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new DIY inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, enjoy creating.